Ring Die Biology Organic Fertilizer Company Limited, established in the year of 2006, with about 7,000 square meters factory area, located in Harbin City, Heilongjiang Province, China, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of organic fertilizer granulator, organic fertilizer granules production line, including semi-wet crusher, mixer, belt conveyor, screening, rotary drum dryer and rotary drum cooler, biomass pellets machine, feed pellets machine. With ring die and roller system construction, our granulator can make nice ball shape in lower energy consumption. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including lathe, milling machine, drilling machine, submerged welding machine, crane, band sawing machine. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate and acquired utility model patents. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Canada, Colombia, India, Morocco, Mexico, Finland, and Spain. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.